Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Nino, and today we have a question which we are going to be solving. The question says that if x squared plus 1 is equal to 2x minus y squared, we are told to find x raised to the power 40 minus y raised to the power 30. Now, when you see a question like this, at first it appears intimidating or it appears difficult. But after the end of this lesson, you would know how you can solve problems that looks like this. Okay, before we begin the class, if this is the first time joining us, you're welcome to our channel, but please don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to share our videos. Okay, how do you solve a problem like this? Okay, remember the formula which says x squared plus y squared can also be written as x minus y all squared plus 2xy. Okay, if you should open this brackets plus 2xy, we are going to get back x squared plus y squared. Now, this is the formula we are going to be applying in solving this question. Now, let us proceed. Don't forget that x squared plus 1 can also be written as x squared plus 1 squared. Because why? 1 raised to the power 2 also will give us 1. Okay. Now, if we should follow this formula, because now we have squared both sides, now this is what we're going to do. Here becomes, okay, x minus 1 all squared, alright, plus 2x1, alright, and of course 2x times 1 will also give us 2x. So it means in place of x squared plus 1, we are going to give x minus 1 all squared plus 2x, because 2x times 1 gives us 2x. So here becomes x minus 1 all squared plus 2x, alright, is equal to, what do I have at the right hand side of the equation? 2x minus y squared. Alright, now we are seeing, a quadratic equation here. So what we are going to do is take all of the expressions to the left hand side of the equation and equate it to 0. So if we do that, minus y squared crosses and 2x also crosses. So here becomes x minus 1 raised to the power of 2 plus 2x. Okay, now if 2x crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2x, and if minus y squared crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus y squared. Now what I'm going to equate it to, we are going to equate it to 0. Now we all know that 2x minus 2x is 0. So what we have left now is x minus 1 all squared plus y squared equal to 0. Okay, now remember there's the rule that says x squared plus y squared is equal to 0 if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Because if x is 0, 0 raised to the power 2 will give us 0. And if y is 0, 0 raised to the power 2 will give us 0. And 0 plus 0 will give us 0. So it means for x minus 1 all squared plus y all squared to be equal to 0, it means x minus 1 must be equal to 0 and y must be equal to 0. So here it comes x minus 1 is equal to 0 or y also is equal to 0. And of course here, if minus 1 crosses the equality sign to the right hand side of the equation, it becomes a positive 1. So here it becomes x is equal to 1 and of course y is equal to 0. So now that we know the value for x and we know the value for y, therefore x raised to the power of 40 minus y raised to the power of 30 becomes x is 1. 1 raised to the power of 40 minus 0 raised to the power of 30. And of course, 1 raised to the power of 40 is 1. And 0 raised to the power of 30 is 0. And so what becomes our answer? 1 minus 0 gives us 1. So you see, it could appear intimidating, but yes, this is the number we have as our answer. 1. So I believe you understood the steps that we took in solving this question. So with this, we have come to the end of today's class, and I believe you enjoyed yourself because I enjoyed myself also. So till we meet again in our next class, keep on subscribing, keep on watching Mathematics and I, and also keep on sharing. Bye for now.